years, and it's every month one egg coming out, and we want just maybe one or max two babies these days, right? None of us wants 100 Kauravas, right? Not even 5 Pandavas. So, but the ovulation is happening every month. So we need something which protects us from endometriosis, that is chocolate cysts, ovarian cysts, thick endometrium, fibroids, bulky uterus, painful periods, heavy periods, adenomyosis, pelvic infections, and the maximum cause of maternal mortality, that is unwanted pregnancy. So it will protect us not only from unwanted pregnancy, we'll also have less infections because it will protect. It will make the endometrial lining so beautiful that we will not have endometrial cancer. And because of the effect of progesterone, we will not even have ovarian cancer. So if my mom is having a history of uterine cancer and I use it, there was a patient in ICU, she was 56 years, she was under the care of a cardiologist. She was bleeding heavily because she was on blood thinners for her angio. She could not even be moved to operation theatre, so I did that device for her, though it was the age of menopause for her, and then she stopped bleeding. I have used that device for 3 times on her. One device works 5 to 6 years. After she attained her menopause also, she kept coming, doctor change kar do, I don't want to be in that situation again. So it's that beautiful a thing. There was a lady from ONGC, very senior officer's wife, she had got operated twice by laparoscopy. Ovarian cyst उनको बार-बार हो जाता था. तो I put this device, उसके बाद उनको वो cyst कभी नहीं हुआ. आजकल हम tampons यूज़ कर रहे हैं, menstrual cups यूज़ कर रहे हैं, फिर हमारा chocolate cyst, endometriosis, painful cycles, PMS, and so many things are happening. So what is lacking is the progesterone phase. So this is local progesterone. If you take it orally, it is through the liver. So it's very important to understand the correct device. It not only will give us the freedom for sex or safe sex or unwanted pregnancy, but will also protect us from PCOD. And anyone wants to share what is the benefit of PCOD? अगर मुझे PCOD है, PMOS है, तो लोग रो रहे हैं मुझे PCO है. But I would say it is very good. You will have a delayed menopause. You will be young for a longer while. And if you are young for a longer while, that means you need more safe sex. So copper is a very pure vessel. हमारे यहाँ पूजा होती है उससे. But it may not suit everybody. It may cause some heavy flow in some girls. And especially जिनको already heavy flow होता है, उनके लिए वो device नहीं है. In many countries it is not being used. So intrauterine device, it's a very simple thing. It works wonders, and I'm very thankful to the organizers for giving us this opportunity today. So we'll give you this brochure and one more brochure for cancer.